Article position with adjectives and adverbs. A or an goes before an adjective which is followed by a singular, indefinite, countable noun. I read a book. I read an interesting book. It's an elephant. It's a big elephant. She is a businesswoman. She is a rich businesswoman. Notice that the use of the indefinite article depends on the beginning sound of the adjective, not the noun that follows it. A or an precedes an adverb when it is followed by an adjective before an indefinite, singular, countable noun. I read an interesting book. I read a very interesting book. It's a big elephant. It's an unbelievably big elephant. She is a rich businesswoman. She is an incredibly rich businesswoman. Observe that the use of a and an depends on the beginning sound of the adverb, not the adjective or noun that follows it. Stay tuned for our next video, Article Position Exceptions.